Ravi Sugu, and today I'll be making crispy hot dog rolls. So here I have 7 hot dogs, chicken hot dogs. Then I have 7 pieces of whole wheat bread. I just went ahead and cut off all the crust part, and we will need some butter. So this is it close up. So I have the hot dogs, the pieces of bread, and the butter. So I just took a knife, make sure to have parent supervision or guardian supervision, and I'm just gonna take the hot dog and I'm just gonna make 3 cuts on each side so it like grills faster. So on each side of the hot dog. So I made 3 slits on the hot dog now, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go fry it on the saucepan. So make sure to add a little bit of butter and then fry them. So now I'm just gonna add a spoon of butter. Perfect, now I'm gonna let that sizzle. So as you can see, it's sizzling. So now I'm gonna add each hot dog in. So add a few at a time. If you have a big saucepan, you can add all. This is how it should look. So now I have taken my bread, and now we're gonna be assembling our hot dog. So now we're gonna be rolling it out. So we're gonna be rolling it till it's very, very thin. So as you can tell, it's very, very thin now. And I'm just gonna do this side. Well, it's not thin enough. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're gonna be adding in our hot dog. So I'm gonna take one of our hot dogs. And sometimes it could be bigger. So now I cut it. And now we're gonna roll it. The tighter that you roll, the crispier will come. And here I have a pastry brush with a bowl of water. So now I'm gonna add this at the end of our bread. So it's basically like the glue. And after adding that, we're just gonna roll it. And if you're a vegetarian and you don't eat chicken, you can also buy veggie hot dogs, and there's also vegan hot dogs. So after doing that, I already have made 3 over here, and I'm gonna make the rest, and I'll see you guys later. So now I'm gonna be dipping these breads and hot dogs into our eggs and breadcrumbs. So I have 2 eggs and about half to 1 cup of breadcrumbs. You see how much you would need. So first I'm gonna take the first one, and I'm gonna dip it into the breadcrumbs with my right hand and put it into the breadcrumbs with my right hand, but turn it around with my left hand. This is a very good snack for school, work, even a home snack. So now I'm going to take the other one. This is how it looks close up after finishing the breadcrumb coating. So I just put some oil into my frying pan, and now we are going to be frying these. This is how it should look. This is how it should look after 2 to 3 minutes. This should be the beginning of it. So it's finally done. This recipe only took about 10 minutes. So now I'm gonna try it. So here I have a plate of ketchup. That is so, so delicious. It's a very delicious snack or lunch to have at work or school Make sure to try this recipe at home with your family and friends. And that's it for this video, guys. Make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!